Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I wanted to talk to you about the optical flow of OpenCV. So I was going through a project of mine and I needed to get some motion related information from some very short videos. I'm gonna show you a few of the videos to make clear of what I want. So these videos are a few samples from the hockey fights dataset. If I am to play one of the videos, you'll just see that's a very short video and probably 2 seconds and all. So my project was of violence detection. For this reason, I used the LSTMs and everything that I already have a pre-built model. You can check out the video. I have a separate playlist for this. But here I wanted to do something different to improve my existing model. So I wanted to get some the motion information from these videos. A picture or a group of pictures or a collection of pictures which contains some information about where the specific pixels are moving. So this is one of the outputs of the picture. So when I say one of the outputs, I already used this. I used this algorithm to bring out the optical flow information from all of the videos in my dataset. So the motion information, I found out about this optical flow from OpenCV. Basically what it does, it uses some maths and everything. I will not get into too much into the maths in this video. So what it basically does is that when a pixel or a group of pixels moves from one part to another, it produces an image showing that it moved from for instance, this image from the round shaped thing moved from 1 to 5, so it's showing us in an image. So so basically it does have some few maths, and there are two methods in here with some C++, Python and Java code for the entirety of the algorithm. So this is the result that it produces from the video. It will just trace out the lines on which where the pixels moved from from the duration of the duration of the video. Anyway, so there was another this was the Lucas Kanade, if I'm spelling it correctly, Lucas Kanade optical flow method, and there was another one called the dense optical flow in OpenCV. So there are two of them. The dense was like this. It shows somewhat blurry image of the specific things that is moving in video. Okay, so we're gonna use I will personally use this specific method. So using this, it's not that much hard. You just have to copy all this code up. I'm sorry, just press something. Okay, so copy everything here. Sorry, this was C++. Yeah, press on the Python because we're gonna do it in Python. Copy all of this code up and open it on your favorite code editor. So mine's VS Code, so let me just quickly open this up. Okay, so let me find my optical flow. Yeah, this was it. So yeah, so what I did here was this is the actual code, entirety of the code, which I just copied and I just pasted out here before. You can see it ends with P0. If you can't see, I'll just zoom in. PO good new dot reshape, so it's just a reshape function, and at the end of the code it is a reshape function. So it's just the similar code, the same code. I just copied it all here. So what this specific Python script does is when I give it a specific argument about one of the videos, here, this is a video. When I give it an argument, it just takes that argument here and just do the rest of the things. So only thing that we like, if we just want to use like a single video to test it out, we're gonna like create like directories called output test, like output test directory. Okay, so like, yeah, so here, so let me like check if there was anything that I've missed about some documentation. Wait, let me just see for the okay. Also takes the output parameters, but where are it? Okay, so I think it just outputs it on a like, if I just check it within a few minutes, like it's really good to track, and it just reads the video. This like while loop reads each of the frames of the video and just like draws it over. All right, so where does it save? It saves here, right? So yeah, I did like edit these things. Oh yes, I do remember now when I was doing this. This specific code does not exactly like, if you like run it, like run this script, like giving it a video as an input, it will just pop out a new window and it's going to show you the optical flows and the lines. Just like, but we don't exactly want that. Like, I'll just like show you. I'll say optical flow original, because that was not original. That's the Python file. It's gonna go to copy everything up here. Yes, it's gonna copy everything up here. Yes, good. So it's copied now, and I'm just gonna like run this here with video as an input. So I'm just gonna write pip, not pip, Python. I'm gonna run the optical flow all the way down, optical flow original. I'm just pressing tab to like find it out, and I'm gonna specify the argument image as the video. I don't know why they called it image, so I'm just gonna specify the video as a string as in it's in the samples folder, sample slash fi1 underscore xvid avi and underscore to close it off. Let's see if it works. Okay, so yeah, unrecognized argument image. So it's not exactly an image. So what is it exactly? Let me see if I just can close it off like this. Yeah. So you can see here, like for a brief moment, because the video is very short, I'm just gonna open it up. It shows the video and it shows some lines on the video. Okay, I'm gonna show it up again for you to see some. It's not going away now because I'm holding it. You see the lines. I think you can see the lines on the video. So it's showing where specific pixels, like detected pixels, are moving across the video. So for our deep learning model, we don't exactly need the video, we just need the line. So for that reason, I just found where like this is the like cv.am show is showing each of the frames, but we don't want to see the frames, we just want to save the frame. So I'm just writing within the cv.imWrite. So imWrite just writes it. So where will we write it? In the outputs folder here. So I just I already have this, so I'm just gonna do it with 1 or 2 videos in the output test to let you know how it works. So I'm just gonna specify the output as output test folder and just a string of C. C is what I've said, like C being here, and it's just like something simple that you don't have to like. This is just the name of the file that I'm trying to save, and this is the file that I will save. Another thing that I did I did was this line of code where I produced a blank, like a black picture, like a what do you call that? A black frame, completely black, with the size same, like the same size as the video frames. Okay, so I took the I used the np like numpy once function because the ones will like make every pixel black, and I specified the shape of the ones would be the same shape of the frame, the height and the width or whatever, and 3 color channels. So this is what is producing the blank frame. And now here I'm just like, CV and adding the blank frame and the mask. The masks are the lines that I'm like speaking of. So as the video progresses, you saw that the lines like tend to like increase from like first there was like little lines, then there was like a lot of lines. So those each of those frames will be saved there. So when the image is ready, like this is added, the blank with the masks, it will be saved using the I'm right. So it's being saved here, and that's just it. So I will just use the same thing, but with as this is a different thing. So I'm saving this Python script and changing this Python script here from original to just opticalflow.py, and running this Python script with the input parameter of sample and video number 1. So this is the video number 1, and it's going to save it into the output.test. So I guess it's around 30 to 35 frames, the one video. So we'll see. So pressing enter, yeah, it's found in something error at the end, but it did like save the pictures. So as you can see, a lot of pictures, something similar, everything, but not everything is similar. So you see that it works because of slight changes that I've made, the blanks and the images and stuff. So the few slight changes onto the original script was necessary. So I did like this one for like I created this script. It's similar without the like here there was some taking arguments and arg parser. So we don't need those because I have a lot of videos. Like here I have 5 videos, and in my data set I have 1,000 videos. So I just want this script to run on all of the videos. So I just like maintain the for loop. These are just structure of my code, but the internal code remains the same. As you can see that I'm creating a mask here, like here's the while loop for all of the video frames, and now I'm creating the blank picture and creating the like imposing the mask over the blank picture, writing the blank picture. That's it. That's just like simple stuff. So not gonna go through this one. So I'm just gonna show you the outputs because I already have it done here with my three data sets. So we found that just to see here for one video we did, so there were like 40 items, like there are 40 frames for this video. So we're gonna see the 40th frame. So as you can see here, it's opened up. I'm gonna open up with a different thing, photos. Yeah. So yeah, so this is the first image where the pixels are changing. These are the specific pixels which are changing. So as you can see, like I'm just pressing right, and the pixels are increasing because like these are different pictures. And when we are at the 40th, this is the last picture of the frame. So I can what I am thinking to do is taking this picture only because this is the picture that matters. This is the picture that I'm interested in because this is the picture that shows all of the motion of that short clip that I've played of that hockey. So I'm gonna I have all of these here, as you can see, there are 40,000 items, 40,000 frames of all 10,000 videos that I have of the hockey fights data set. So here, what I think I'll do, I think I'll change this original code. Okay, rerun the code, but I will have this is the original, no, this one, yeah, the all data optical flow all data. So I'm gonna rerun this code, and yeah, so that's about it. So I'm just gonna rerun this code and see if I can change it to be like not to save everything, but only the last one. So, well, how can I do that? How can I know if it's the last one? If I'll just comment this out because this is the writing. The image is being saved like it's in each like for loop in the while loop, like in each iteration the image is being saved. The image is ready to be saved. This is the variable that is holding the image that we want, but we don't want all of the image, we just want one of the image. So when it's not reading anymore, the image is already saved, right? So it should read here for the videos, right? So after the while loop, okay, so how about I just copy this up? I just copy this up and I move it outside of the while loop here. So this would be outside of the while loop, and also I need something else to change this one. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy this up and hash it out, comment it out. So copying this out, and also yeah. So basically this is outside of the while loop. So the while loop ends when it's not reading anymore, right? So it's not reading anymore, but the last frame of this while loop is stored in this image. So it's like being here, like it's being saved here, right? So it should work. So let's see if it works. I'm saving this, and for this reason I'm going to use one of my data sets, only the hockey fights, see if it runs in the Google files, and it's hockey fights and the videos, and there's non-violence and violence. So this is just hockey fights. I'm just gonna copy this out so that I don't miss this. Yeah, hockey fights, and inside there will be videos folder, and there will be violence and non-violence folder. All right, so okay, so yeah, so I'm just gonna run the script, and okay, the output will be so yeah, the output in the output test, or I can create another called output main. That would be something. Okay, let's just, I have the output test folder, let's use that. So that will be hockey fights. So here I'm gonna create a new folder, like, yeah, hockey fights. So it's gonna go inside the folders, and the folder will have the folders like, yeah, let me just see. In videos there are like violence and non-violence, right? So there should be, sorry, just gonna like keep it on my other screen and write it. Non-violence, and another one for hockey is violence with a capital V. Yeah, these are the two folders where all of the like videos will be saved. Saving this up inside of the output test, the main folder will be the hockey fights, and the folders will be the violence and the non-violence. I think, right? Yeah, should be the case. Right. Yeah, right. No, sorry. This is not exactly going inside, so I don't need these two folders. I'm just gonna delete this out. Okay, violence and non-violence, and also I'm just gonna empty this empty this output test. So going into optical flows, the output test, all of these things, like Control A to select everything and not the folder that we need, deleting the test data frames that we did. Yeah. I think we're ready to run the script. So let's say Python optical flow, not the optical flow, the optical flow all data. So let's hope it runs. Yeah, it is starting, and I'm just gonna close it because it's gonna fire up. Yeah, so as you can see, everything is going around here, but yeah, we are getting one video, one picture, the last picture of the last optical flow picture of the each videos that I have. I have 1,000 videos, so there should be 1,000 items here. So yeah, there will be 1,000 items. As you can see, if I open one of these, you can see that these contain the most of the optical information of these of each video pixel. So this is what I can use to further improve my model that I'm working on. So if you want to know more about the model or how I'm optimizing it to be increasing its efficiency and increasing its accuracy, so let me know down in the comments. I will make a separate video out of it. So yeah, that's about it for today. I hope you now know how to use the optical flow of OpenCV and how to change it to your will, and how you will change it according to your projects. So that will be all. If you like this video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and share it with your friends. Yeah, thank you. I'll see you in the next one.